mortar falling out? Cracks in your brickwork? Uneven or damaged masonry? These could all be signs that your masonry needs repair. Don't ignore them. Small cracks and gaps today can quickly turn into major, costly damage tomorrow. Weak mortar and deteriorating brickwork can compromise your home structure, lower its value, and even put your safety at risk. Our licensed and insured team specializes in expert masonry and tuck-pointing services. Using durable materials, proven techniques, and skilled craftsmanship, we restore the strength, beauty, and durability of your brickwork, keeping your home or building secure for years to come. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your home with reliable masonry and tuck-pointing solutions. Let's work together. If you're ready to upgrade your home's exterior, contact Pyramid Pro Masonry today, because your home deserves nothing but the best. Get a quote now.